Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone.
Today we're reviewing the Logitech Lift mouse. It's a wireless vertical mouse with an ergonomic design. Super versatile, it works via USB receiver or Bluetooth. The mouse is pretty light, weighing just 125 grams. Battery-wise, it uses 1 AA and lasts up to 2 years with daily use. You can adjust the DPI on this mouse, choosing between 400 and 4000 DPI based on your preferred cursor speed, with 100 DPI increments for fine-tuning. It has 6 customizable buttons via logi options, plus software for maximum comfort and usability. The mouse features multi-point tech, letting you connect to 3 devices at once and switch with a button press on its bottom. It's priced around €80, but you might find it cheaper on different websites or during sales. It comes in white, black and pink, with a left-handed option available too. As always, I've left a direct link below if you want to grab one. Now that we've covered the features, let's move on to the unboxing. Guys, the box contents are super simple, as you can see. It's just the mouse and an instruction manual. Now on the back of the mouse, if we lift this little cover here, we'll find the USB receiver. You'll need this to connect it wirelessly to any device using radio frequency. Now that we've seen the unboxing, let's get to the really interesting part, examining the mouse in detail. As I mentioned, the mouse weighs just 125 grams. It's about 11 centimeters long, 7.5 centimeters high, and roughly 6 centimeters wide. The mouse I have here is for right-handed users, as you can see. This is how a right-handed person would hold it, allowing easy access to all the buttons without any issues. But as I mentioned, there is also a left-handed version which would be held the opposite way. But again, this is the right-handed version, and this is how you'd hold it. This is the correct position. On the front of the mouse, which we have here, we have the typical left and right clicks, along with the central scroll wheel for scrolling, which also clicks. This wheel is also a button, and we have another button just below the wheel. With this small button, we can manually change the DPI on the mouse, though we can also do this easily later through the desktop app. On the inner side, which we grip with our thumb, we find 2 more buttons. These are also fully customizable and can be assigned different functions to better suit our needs at any time. Lastly, on the bottom, we have the power button here. As you can see, pressing it turns on the mouse. And up here, we have another small button. As you can see, we have 3 icons with LEDs, 1, 2, and 3. This is where we'll select which device to use with the multi-point connection. As mentioned, we can connect the mouse to 3 devices at once. By pressing this small button, we can switch between connected devices, as you can see. You've seen this in the unboxing, but if we lift this small magnetic cover, we'll find the USB receiver and battery inside. The desktop app Logi Options Plus, available for Mac and Windows, is great for customizing the mouse and setting all parameters to our liking, from button functions to pointer speed, or even creating custom profiles for specific programs. This means we can set different button functions and features when opening Chrome versus, say, Photoshop. Each program can have its own button functions and mouse speeds. I must add that the app works really well and is super intuitive. Overall, we have a high-quality mouse, both in performance and materials. At first, it's true that the grip and use might feel odd because we're not used to vertical mice, but over time, when you get used to it, the mouse is super comfy and easy to use. Plus, it's true that your hand gets less tired and stays more relaxed. Alright guys, that wraps up the review of the Logitech Lift vertical mouse. As always, if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. And on my end, that's all. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.